There they are. Little demon eyes. What you doing, Jen Jen? Well, go get him. Go get him. Yeah. Man, look at all those demon eyes. I love it. It's so hilarious. They're going to have playtime till about 8:30, and then they're ready to get their treats and go to bed. Jen ate good tonight. She ate all her dog food. Of course, I didn't give her a bunch of snacks today. So, by the time 6:30, 7 o'clock rolled around, she says, yeah, okay, I'll go ahead and eat dog food. Oh, they're having so much fun.